When it comes to running Google ads, the most effective thing you could do as far as YouTube and reaching the people that you actually want to reach is finding every single video URL on YouTube, getting the actual link, and then putting that link individually into Google Ads to run ads on. And it's a very laborious process, but I'm going to show you how it works. And the reason why is because you're being very specific and granular, and it works really the best for any type of niche. So the fastest way to do this is by doing a bunch of command prompting to be able to do this, as you've seen here. Command prompting in your terminal is just going to always work the faster than anything else. So very simply, if you have a Mac like I do, you have to just follow these quick steps here. It's not too complicated in order to get all of this going. Let me just show you real quick what the steps are, and then you can decide if you want to take them. But basically, you install this little dealy bop here that goes through and extracts all the videos from each channel. So the goal that I said here was get a list of all of the channels listed for this search result. Now, there's a bunch of ways you could get that, but ideally, that is going to be what you want when it comes to running ads, and then specifically running ads on YouTube videos that for sure are your target audience. So then it will tell you how to do that. So what I would say to you is to say command prompts for how to get a list of that. And then it's just going to give you, whether you're on a Windows or a Mac, it'll tell you what to do, what to put in, gives you all these methods. But basically, this is the command prompts that you go through. It'll download some stuff, and then it will go through and actually walk you through being able to. I didn't do the browser automation. I only was doing this one here, which is the CLI tool, which it's called. So, and then what that ends up doing is downloading and then extracting a CSV file of, I got up to 1,000. How many did I get, guys? I didn't actually look at this yet. So how many it pulled? That's incredible. 8,000 individual URLs. So what this means is, if I pull up the folder here, oh man, where is that folder? Let me find that folder. Where is it? So I can do this little command and it will open it up for me. Boom, there we go. All right, so this is what it actually pulled. And then this is what I asked it to do, is I asked it to go on that list of the videos and find all of the channels. So get the channels that are listed on this URL here, which is just when you're searching for N8N, get the channels that are listed here. So I'm not sure. I have to look and see if it actually did the ads too. But any channel, so Nolan Harper AI, I don't know if he's in there because that is curated towards my feed, not necessarily towards. It's just generic, right? So that should be right. When you're just a random person going and searching, you don't have a personalized feed. So that's probably why, but it should be showing up everything that's relative. Basically, then it goes from each channel and finds every video listed in each channel, which is why there are 8,000 videos listed here. And then what I'll do is I'll come over into Google Ads and let's go and create a campaign. And then let's just get full here. I'm actually going to do a custom campaign, and then I'm going to do a video only campaign. And then let's just get views for now. We'll do effective reach and then none of that other stuff. Start a new one. And the goal here is, yes, let's just do $1. And then I don't want an end date. Why do I have to have an end date? Oh, campaign total. Sorry. So then $1 a day. I'm going to do every country. I'm going to do English, because what I'm looking for is where I can actually put all these videos in to be able to tell it where I want to be shown. Here we go. YouTube videos. This is what I want. So can I add all of these in here? I wonder if I can just paste them all. I think there's another way. I haven't done this actually in this new format. Not sure. Let's see. YouTube videos. Yes. Matching. Enter. Whoops. There we go. Enter line by line. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, so I need this one. And then we're going to paste that in there. So it got 8,011. Maximum is 5,000 at a time. So let's go to 5,000 down here. And then we'll have to make another campaign for less than that. So then we'll grab it from about here and then all the way up. And then that should be about 5,000. They'll come back here, copy and paste. So it's 49.70 and paste it in here. Now, this should be only showing ads on these individual videos. That's it. There is no other place. So anyone I know that's going to watch these videos, it'll go into an auction and we'll be able to watch the ads, right? If I win the auction. I'm just trying to see if it's going to place these because that's a lot. So I might have to break it up though a little bit. Might have to break up the amount because it's quite a lot, 5,000 at once. So maybe 1,000 videos per campaign type of thing, depending on if this doesn't actually work. It froze up here on me, guys. Let's wait it out and see. All right, I'll come back. All right, so that did work and it didn't place 400 of them, which is fine, but it got 4,386. And then I don't know why it chose these websites. I don't want that, but it somehow found these from something. But so here we go. So this is 4,000, oh no, save 4,382 videos specifically related to my niche, right? And so this is really what anyone that's running Google Ads should be doing. This is the number one sniper method for running any sort of ads on the internet because it's very targeted towards the people that are the most interested in whatever you're doing, and it's very specific. And then you come in here and you're going to find whatever videos you want to use. So let's grab some of my videos here. And hold on one second. So I'm going to use a couple videos here. Use this one. And then my goal is to get people to go to my website. So let's get them over here. And going to have to add in free N8N AI automation workflow templates. All right. And then you could do the same thing, really. Probably should be a lot more granular with this, but we'll be fine. So let's say using 7, you can improve your campaign so we're reaching 768. I don't know why, but we'll see how many reaches that gets. So then we just got this one video I'm using, which is my most viewed video. And then it's going to all of those. And then let's see if it'll let us create it, but it's saying something's weird, but let's keep trying. Save, not saved. Why is it not saving? You made 2 changes to draft that saves in the last 2 minutes. Save it. Oh no, I don't want to hit reload. Ah, no. And save. Let's try to reload it. Maybe I'll have to rebuild all of that. Hopefully not. Maybe it actually didn't actually save the way we thought. Nope. It didn't. Did it add all of the... Well, we got all the videos saved in there. That's fine. Something tweaked out. And then we're going to go back down here and... It's so weird. You can just use anyone's video for your video, which is strange. Let's do this one and add my info in there and then do the same thing there. All right. We got it all on the videos. I just want to get this going so you guys can see that it actually does work and it is real. And now this video, my ad will be shown on every single one of these videos. And then very quickly, it'll tell me which video gets the most attraction and these types of things. And I'm only running this at $1 a day. Right here, you can see $1 a day. So once it gets approved, I'll do another video and update you guys. And I could add a lot more videos in there and stuff for ads, but for now, I just wanted to show you basically that's going to be the number one strategy that you can use. And there's a couple ways you can use AI to actually make all that happen, to be able to get these list of any keyword, any searching that any competitor, anyone that you're trying to reach is doing. You go and scrape all of the channels, scrape every video from all of their channels, and then you only run ads specifically to those videos. All right. Let me know if you got any questions. Hit me up in the comments or go check out my website, and I'll send you a lot more free, awesome information, templates, AI agents that you can start running immediately. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys in the next video.